What's up people, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick tutorial, you are going to see how to change Chatgpt language in Hindi. So to do that, head over to the Chatgpt application and head over to the two lines on the top left. Now go to your profile. Now go to personalization option, and here you'll find the option of language. Head over there. Now this currently set to the system default. My phone has English, so it is currently showing me English. So change scroll down and change it to Hindi and tap on OK. So as you can see, if I go back, it will currently now show me everything in Hindi. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.